Yo, what's up guys? Hope you're doing well, having a freaking good day as always. So in today's video we'll be making this extra special healthy sugar-free protein / slightly naughty pancakes with amaretto and a blackberry coulis from the Foraged Blackberries where we got the other day. Served with some lovely clotted cream on the side too. Anyway, hope you enjoy this recipe and let's get on with it now. Check it out guys, we've got some of the lovely blackberries. Just cooking those down. I'm going to add some erythritol to that. And Mum's just sipping the blackberries now to get rid of all the little seedy bits in there. Okay guys, so check it out. I'm going to make some pancakes now for the blackberries, the blackberry sauce I'm making. And we got some soy protein isolate here. Now obviously some people are a bit about soy. Use whey is obviously better, but I can get this pretty cheap. So I'm going to use that. Also got some almond flour in here, so I'm going to have a combination of the two. So I'm going to mix them together, and obviously we're going to add in the eggs and a little bit of baking powder as well. Okay, so I just mixed that all in together now, and just going to add in a little bit of the erythritol as well to sweeten it up. Ta-da, one-handed special. Sounds a bit kinky. Okay, 4 eggs in here, mix it around. Obviously it gets a little bit thick. We're adding some milk or something. As expected, it is a little bit thick, so yeah, just putting a splash of milk in. If you want to be strict keto, water and cream, or put like a nut milk in of your choice. Just adding a little splash of the Madagascan vanilla extract. Yeah, so we decided to be a little bit naughty, just like doing total experiments with these pancakes. I'm going to put a little splash of like the amaretto in this almond alcohol. It's absolutely amazing. So obviously strict keto, weight loss, obviously omit this completely, but yeah, if you want to be a little bit fancy, a little bit of a treat, just try adding a splash in. And we're just getting ready to fry them. We've got a little bit of lard. Obviously lard is like the pork fat, but it's unflavoured pork fat, so don't use like the pork fat that you just cook your bloody pork belly in or something. So yeah, unflavoured lard here. Otherwise you could just use an unflavoured neutral oil, something like avocado oil or unflavoured coconut oil, etc. Put a splash of butter in as well. Butter goes with everything. Just gonna ladle a blob on. Or to add a lid on top just to help with the cooking process. Just taking the lid off now. As you see, we've got a few sort of air bubbles in there, so just going to flip it. Try to anyway. Ta-da! Yeah, not too bad at all. Oh yeah, look at that nice golden brown bottom. We go then guys, the first pancake came out absolutely awesomely. Normally like the first one's a bit of a dud when you do them, so you're just adjusting the temperature and everything, but yeah, quite pleased with that. Look at that. Whoa. Check it out, some lovely Cornish clotted cream as well to go on top. Absolutely amazing. Look at that. Oh, I love clotted cream. Check out these awesome pancakes. Oh yeah, lovely coffee, clotted cream, and the amaretto in there. Just about to add in the coulis. Oh, look at that guys, absolutely awesome. The clotted cream on top. Oh, it doesn't get better than that.
They're quite nice on their own.
It's so lovely.